Okay, everyone, today is August, which means we are 3 weeks away from the start of school. And once school starts again, there are some rules that you have to follow. This year, we are strict on cell phones in schools. So when you are in elementary school, phone goes off from when you enter the building until you leave the building. When you are in middle school, phone goes off from when you enter the building until you leave the building. When you are in high school, phone goes off in the classroom and in the bathroom, but you can use it between class periods and lunches. That is one of the new rules for this school year. But one of the rules that have been in place forever, in fact, it is a law. It is never, ever mess with fire alarms at school. That is a big no-no. If you pull or tamper with fire alarms at school, you are going to get suspended, expelled, you are going to get grounded by your parents, and you will get fined, and you will get arrested in some cases. Just like Mikey from Darman. So that's why you don't pull fire alarms at school unless there is a fire, or if the principal gives you permission to pull it for a fire drill, or something like that. But pulling it to skip a test, or to get out of class, or for a prank, or for fun, or you think it's funny, or to scare people, that is not acceptable. I hope all of the pull stations in my school have stopper covers over them so this doesn't happen, because last year someone did pull the fire alarm in my school without a fire or without authorization and got into big trouble. So I hope it doesn't happen this coming year. Bye.